Hello and welcome to our video tutorial introducing the basics of Instant OpenHIE. The Instant OpenHIE project aims to simplify the process of setting up your own health information exchange in line with the OpenHIE architecture and specifications. A health information exchange makes sharing of health data across information systems possible. The goal of this is to improve access to information and for better decision making. The OpenHIE architecture provides a framework for setting up a health information exchange using a set of interchangeable components and services that all work together to support sharing of information. Sharing data can help provide valuable insights into who received health services, who provided those services, where patients received services, what care they received, and what products were involved in treatment. Setting up a health information exchange can be challenging, time-consuming, and costly though. This is where Instant OpenHIE comes in. The Instant OpenHIE project aims to reduce the costs and skills required to deploy a health information exchange by packaging a set of information exchange tools and services together, and allowing for flexible deployment both locally or in the cloud. It offers a simple way to set up and explore a functioning health information exchange, and can be a useful tool for training and demos. Instant OpenHIE is being developed to show how the OpenHIE architecture and data exchange workflows can be used to solve real-world health challenges using open-source software and standards. The foundation of the Instant OpenHIE project is to showcase the functionality, use cases, and workflows of an OpenHIE architecture by offering a simple, easy-to-use prototyping platform with a set of out-of-the-box services that can be extended to support new workflows and use cases. Instant OpenHIE is being developed to make it easier to get up and running with a health information exchange by offering users a quick way to set up and deploy a set of pre-packaged health information exchange components together, and a framework for developers to more easily align their tooling around the OpenHIE architecture and data exchange standards, and support new workflows based on real-world use cases. Instant OpenHIE is an open-source community project that welcomes external contributions with guidelines for contributing to the core framework to support new technologies and workflows. One of the key concepts of Instant OpenHIE is that it can be extended to support new use cases and component tooling. To make it easier for developers to add new functionality, Instant OpenHIE uses a package-based architecture that provides a common way to group all the code and scripts needed to set up and configure a particular software application or set of services supporting a new information exchange use case. By bundling these into reusable packages, the user is able to easily pick and choose the set of packages they need when setting up their health information exchange. Instant OpenHIE comes bundled with a set of core packages, but it is designed to be extensible with the support for adding third-party packages. New packages must either extend directly from the core package or from another existing package. Packages can be one of two different types: an infrastructural package or a use case package. Infrastructural packages set up and configure one or more applications, but they aren't configured for any particular use case. Use case packages, on the other hand, configure applications so they can work together to support the health information exchange workflows of a particular use case. Each package contains startup and shutdown scripts, configuration scripts that automate the initial setup and configuration of an application. For example, setting up default users, data elements, reports, etc. And test cases that can be used to validate that an application is up and running or that a workflow has been set up correctly. The Instant OpenHIE package framework provides a way to set up and configure health information exchange components so that they work together to support particular workflows and use cases. A few key technologies are used to support this approach. Docker is used for containerization of applications in an Instant OpenHIE package. Containerization is the term used for packaging up software code and its dependencies so that an application can be run consistently on any infrastructure. Docker is a set of products that allows you to easily build containers that bundle software, libraries, and configuration files together into self-contained packages that communicate with each other through clearly defined channels. Instant OpenHIE supports two strategies for deploying containerized applications to a server or other computer hardware. The first is using Docker Compose, which is a tool for running multi-container Docker applications and allows a number of containers to be easily created and managed locally on a computer or server. The other strategy uses Kubernetes, a system for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications that is very powerful but can be more complex to manage. This is best used for cloud-based setups and requires basic experience with managing a Kubernetes cluster. Instant OpenHIE also comes with a test harness framework that provides a standard way to define and run sets of tests that ensure any components and workflows within a package function correctly. The test harness utilizes the Gherkin language to describe tests and the Cucumber tool to execute these. Instant OpenHIE makes use of these technologies to allow packages to be executed across platforms such as Windows, OS X, or Linux, as well as to make some of the underlying complexity from end users, allowing packages to be downloaded and deployed more easily. For more information, please visit the Instant OpenHIE doc site shown here and linked in the description of this video.